Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Oh, it's a lift. Could you show me your name real quick and what's in here?
Cory. I got 2 VXF15s, Scar Audio, 12-inch Aero port. I got a Teramps 8K, but it's only pushing around 29. So I got all 1-aught runs. I got a 320 amp MechMan alternator. That's about it. Okay. I ain't got no batteries yet.
Did you build this?
I did.
Very nice. How'd you do the Octo? It's pretty cool.
Planks. Well, 2x4s.
Yeah. All the way around. Got it. Very nice. That's good. And what did you say you peaked at?
So my peak was at, what is it? The first run was 3,591
watts.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And
and then I got 146 on the first run. And
okay.
46.08 on the second run. So.
All right. Nice. Can I see the amp?
Oh yeah.
And do you have a high output alternator?
I do have an alternator.
All right. Is that if I see it all? I like to see everything. Very nice. Is this 250?
It's a 320.
320, sorry. Okay. That helped a lot with your electrical, I'm sure.
Oh yeah. Big 3 and then the alternator. Next I'm trying to work on getting lithium batteries, but
yep. It's all down there.
2X 8Ks under the seat.
Nice. And this is at 1 ohm?
2 ohm.
2 ohm. Is it 2 ohm version or 1 ohm version?
2 ohm.
2 ohm, 2 ohm, okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you for showing me, man.
No problem.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile, a daily cardio video creator. I hope you enjoyed the video so far. This is Cory's system from the Savannah Seaport show, Savannah Seaport 2021, Savannah, Georgia area. So shout out to everybody watching. You did a really good job showcasing it at the show. Very unique style box. Not many Octoport style boxes I see, especially the 12-inch size, but perfect amount of port area to cone area, 2 15-inch subwoofers. So we're going to get to the demo in a minute. Go ahead, if you haven't already, give him a like as well as comment. Say some positive things you like about his system. I really like the style of the way his subwoofer variation is. Subwoofers up, port forward. Usually that's the most musical option. Also, if you had subs up, port up is another good musical option. People that are running for SPL seem to always run the port on the driver's side or port facing the driver's side out because all the pressure goes to the passenger and that mic on the window. Didn't pick up on the walk around. He actually doesn't have any extra batteries, just a 320 amp alternator. Definitely going to need extra battery bank. He's working on upgrading to the lithium. I'm sure he's already got it by the time I posted this video. So we're going to go ahead and get to the base demo now. Consider subscribing if you haven't already for daily cardio videos coming your every way, and enjoy the demo.
Favorite songs to play on this. Okay. I feel like it's the best one so far that I found.
Yep.
Strip and panels red.
Yes, sir.
That's about all she's got.
All right, thank you, man. Can I see the amp?
Oh yeah. Work on getting lithium batteries, but
Yep. It's all down there.
Terra amps 8Ks under the seat.
Nice. And this is that 1 ohm?
2 ohm.
2 ohm. Is that 2 ohm version or 1 ohm version?
2 ohm.
2 ohm, 2 ohm. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you for showing me, man.
No problem.
You have a good day. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.